Firearms are the leading cause of death for children under the age of 18. In recent years, Penn State Health Children's Hospital has seen a significant increase in firearm injuries in children. Firearms are also used in more than half of all deaths by suicide. 90% of suicide attempts with a firearm are fatal. Securing your gun is critically important to preventing a tragedy. A cable gun lock is a simple and effective way to do that. It works with virtually any firearm. In this video, we will show you how to use your new cable lock with a handgun. Before you begin, you should always assume that any firearm you handle is loaded. Carefully unload all ammunition, following the steps in your gun's owner's manual. Visually inspect the chamber, feed mechanism, and magazine to ensure that your firearm is completely unloaded. With the key provided, unlock the cable lock. Leave the key in the lock in the open position. Thread the loose end of the cable through the firearm, starting at the magazine well and passing it through the ejection port. Push the end of the cable into the lock's receptacle and turn the key to lock the device. Test the lock by pulling on it to make sure the cable is locked. Finally, store your key in a safe location. Write down your key number in case you ever need a replacement. Help keep your family safe by always locking and securing your firearms. While this video is focused on cable locks, other options, including combination or biometric fingerprint locks, are also very good ways to lock, store, and secure a weapon.